Assalamualaikum. We are doing 2022 SA1 Maths HL paper 2 question 3. Alright. Okay, so let's read the question first. Okay, this question is about revenue and profit. Okay, where some costs are incurred. Right, so the following table shows the total revenue Y in US dollars obtained monthly during the first 6 months of 2020 by law office of Fauzi Brothers and the number of clients X served. Right, so there's a table there. Okay, you can refer to it. They have like certain values, like if the X is 6, the Y is 3000, X is 12, the Y is 7200, 16, 10,500, 24, 16,000, 22, 13,600, and 30 is 18,400. Alright, you can rewind if you miss any of the numbers over there. Alright, so the first question asks you to calculate the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient R for this data. So make sure your stat diagnostic is on, okay, before you do this question. Okay, so you need to do the stat edit. Okay, so I think you are familiar already. Right? So use your stat edit, put X under L1 and then put Y under L2, okay, and stat calculate. You go to calculate, and then they will give the R value as well as the linear regression equation. So the first few answers are quite straightforward. So for 3A part 1, your R is 0.995, where rounded off, okay, to 368. And then they ask you to comment. Part 2 is comment on the result. So you say it is a strong positive correlation. Right? Okay, for part B, they ask you to write the equation of the regression line. Again, it's all there when you press the calculate button. So part B will just be Y is equal to 654, X minus 54, Y. Everything has been rounded off to 368. Okay? Okay, the part C, they ask you to use the line of regression to estimate the revenue of serving 20 clients. So the number given is 20, so it's a whole number, right? So it's better for you to go to the table. Okay, locate where the X is 20, or the under the L1, right? Locate where X is 20, and then locate what's the Y value. Okay, and then straight away you know from the easy table. Okay, and you get Y is equal to 12540. Okay, so this is revenue, so it's dollars. Okay, you arrive in US dollars. Okay, please take note that in exams you need to write down the table. Okay, write down 3 numbers. Make sure 12540 is in the middle. Okay, you can see. Alright. Okay, part D, there's a question before that, there's a situation. It says monthly operating cost for the law office is 2,500. Right, then additionally, the cost of serving each client is 200, so it's 200 per client. Okay, so part D is determine if the law office makes a profit and serving 6 clients on a particular month. Okay, so actually when you serve 6 clients, right, you plug in here, it's about 3,300. Okay, so when you plug in for part D, right, when you plug in 2500, the cost plus the additional 200 per client, so it's 200 times 6. Okay, it will give you about 3,700. So the cost is 3,700, but the revenue, if you use this formula, right, is around 3,300 plus. Okay, so as such, since the cost is more, okay, we say that the law office does not make a profit. Okay, do include your reason. Okay, the reason is because, I use this symbol, because cost exceeds revenue. Okay, revenue means the money that you earn. Okay, cost means the money that you fork out. Right? So if the money that you fork out exceeds the money that you earn, you don't make a profit. Okay? Right, moving on, we have part E. Okay, part A is all theory. That means they want to see whether you understand whatever that you're doing. Okay, when put in the context of this story. So, in part 1, they say write down the expression for the total revenue. So, total revenue is here. Sorry, I'm going to write down that. So, it's, in part 1, the answer is just this. Okay, the answer is just this. Okay, because they ask for revenue. Okay, for in part 2, they ask for the profit. So, what you need to do, this one actually there's an equation which is, if I were to write it here, 2500, okay, plus 200x. The 6 is the x. Okay, this one 200 is fixed. Okay, per client is 200. So this one is the cost function. Okay, well this one is the revenue function. Okay, so if you want the profit, all you have to do is just the revenue subtract the cost. Okay, usually we take revenue subtract the cost because we want the profit to be a positive number. Okay, so we take revenue subtract the cost. Okay, right. So when you subtract the profit function, okay, let's say I write down profit function. Okay, and just use PU1. Okay, so you will final answer will be 454x minus 3041. Okay. Alright. The last question is find the least number of clients required to result in a profit for the month. Okay. So because this is the number of clients, right? So it's a whole number. Again, I'll go back to use my table instead of using the graph. Okay. So when you use your table, you realize that at 6, okay, it is still negative. The profit is still negative. But when x equals to 7, that means 7 clients. Okay, the profit becomes a positive number. Okay, so therefore, the least number of clients required for you to make a profit for that particular month would be 7 clients. Right, so that's for question 3.